Hello everybody! In this video today we're gonna show you how we achieved this beautiful rose gold color melt. Follow us! Hello beautiful people! This is Nika and you're watching Love for Beauty. Well hello! We are going to our hair date with Hannah. Look at all the snow! I hope we can get to the salon, but I don't think we're gonna have a problem because we have this baby. Let's go. Here we are, driving in the snow. Jason is coming to film me. And also to get a haircut. Jason, you're excited for your haircut?
Oh yeah, I'm lopping it all off. There ain't nothing gonna be left. I'm gonna be a bald guy.
I hope he's joking. We're here at the Pink Mullet Salon in Nashville, and you're about to meet Hannah, who's going to do my hair. We are at the salon. I'm super excited. Guess who's here? This is Hannah. She's been amazing, and she agreed to play with my hair today. Let's go. Here we are in the back. This is incredible. Hannah's doing her magic. Yes, I was just about to say that. All right, so Hannah, would you tell us what you are doing right now?
So we're mixing together the 3 different formulas, and we are getting ready to apply the color now.
Precision, guys.
Yes,
Precision and
how
with
it
the
has
scale.
to work. Yes.
Oh, this is like the paradise of colors. Look at that.
So many.
This is amazing.
So many different options.
I don't think I've ever been in the back of a salon. I feel privileged.
This is privilege.
Thank you. These are all our colors.
All of the little fun
Perfect.
things here. Cool, cool.
Cheers. Today, we're going to be playing with Guy Tang's Rose Gold Demi Permanent colors. I just wanted to tell you, I'm so in love with him. I'm already his bestie, although he doesn't know it yet. But he will. I am so excited, I haven't slept. So Hannah, tell us what we're going to be doing today.
We are going to be doing a color melt with the Guy Tang colors in the rose gold.
On this hair. Yeah. Alright, I've been watching Guy Tang's videos for quite some time now. I've been sharing them with Hannah and we both fell in love with his rose gold colors. We decided to try them and she agreed to experiment on this hair because it's her first time working with Guy Tang's products. I know Hannah is amazing, she's totally got this and it's going to be beautiful, so stay till the end of this video to see our shenanigans. Let's go! We are going to be using this amazing Mydentity cape that Guy Tang sent me as a gift. I am ecstatic and thank you, Guy Tang. We just washed the hair. We are gonna blow dry and then we're gonna show you the final result. It is time for the reveal. I'm ready. Are you ready? This girl killed it. I love her. She's amazing.
I do what I can.
She's amazing.
It's so pretty. I really love it.
Hannah, I have a question for you.
Okay.
How did hair become your passion?
Well, I've always wanted to do it, and my mom has always supported that. So when I told her that I wanted to do hair, she bought me like this little model thing and all of this stuff in middle school. And yeah, I've kind of always wanted to do it. Yeah.
That's amazing. Well,
Here we are.
You are amazing at it.
Thank you.
You guys can follow Hannah on Instagram at Styled by Hannah, and you can also follow the Pink Mullet Salon at Pink Mullet Salon. I'll drop the links down below in the description for you. You should set an appointment, go to her. She is amazing.
Thank
Look
you.
at this.
Thank
Look
you.
at this. Look at this. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is us having so much fun in this amazing place.
Yes.
Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is up. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links are down below. Follow beautiful, amazing Hannah at Style by Hannah and Pink Mullet Salon at Pink Mullet Salon. We love you. And now look in the mirror. You are beautiful.